Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the problem personal hotspot option is not showing and it is disabled. If you go to settings, you can see the personal hotspot is not showing. This is disabled. So let me show you how to fix this problem. How to fix this problem, the personal hotspot not showing and disabled on this device. Simply go to settings and tap on the option mobile service. Simply turn on the mobile data or the cellular data. That's it. Here you can see the option personal hotspot. Otherwise, if you go back, here also you can see it is visible. Tap on this one. You can easily turn on this option. So simply in this way we can fix the problem personal hotspot option is not showing and disabled on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.